In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a members area on Wix. If you're looking to build a website that offers exclusive content to certain users, adding a members area is the perfect solution. This setup will allow you to control who can access specific parts of your site, providing a tailored experience for your visitors. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Wix account. If you don't already have an account, it's straightforward to set one up on the Wix website. Once you're logged in, direct yourself to the website editor. From here, we need to focus on the apps, as these are crucial for integrating additional functionalities into your site. Search for the Members app within the Wix app market. This app might not be pre-installed, but don't worry if it isn't. Simply locate it and click Install. This will embed the necessary components on your site to manage a membership area efficiently. With the Members app now installed, head over to your dashboard. This is the command center of your site, where all the essential settings and management tools reside. Look for the section labeled Customers and Leads. Under this, you'll find an option called Contacts. Go ahead and click on this. This will bring up a comprehensive view of all your site's contacts, which include anyone who has interacted with your website in some capacity. Next, navigate to Manage Member Access. This is the central hub where you'll control who has access to various parts of your site. Here you can assign roles that give specific permissions to your members. The next step involves setting up a new role for your members. Click on Create New Role. This opens up a configuration panel where you can customize the role to suit your needs. Begin by giving the role a name. This could be something descriptive like premium members or VIP access, depending on the exclusivity and content being offered. Following the role's name, provide a concise yet informative description. This description helps clarify the role's intent and the type of access members will enjoy under this classification. Lastly, define the access permissions for this particular role. This is where you grant specific privileges that dictate which parts of your site they can view or interact with. You might choose to offer access to exclusive pages, blog posts, or even special discounts. And that's it. Those are the steps to create a members area on Wix. It's a straightforward process once you're familiar with the navigation. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to my channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.